Good morning, students. Today we start the remaining question of exercise 9.3, that sequence and series. In question number 9, the statement is find the sum of GP up to n terms. In this, the first term is 1. Common ratio is A2 by A1 main series. So in this, the sum of GP is A 1 mains Rn upon 1 mains R, because this is less than 1. So A is 1 mains, R is mains A power n upon mains A. So in this GP, the sum is 1 plus A. This is the sum of GP. In question number 10, the statement is x3 x whole power 5 7 up to n terms. In this GP, find the sum of n terms. In this, first term is x cube, common ratio is, this is x square, and sum is A r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So A is x cube, x square power n minus 1 upon x square minus 1. So this is the sum of this GP. In question number 10, evaluate summation I is equal to 1 11 2 plus 3k. This is called summation. It is the sum. Here when we put I is equal to when we put k is equal to 1, that's first term. When we put k is equal to 2, this is the second term. When we put k is equal to 3, this is the last term. And when we put n is equal k is equal to 11, this is the last term. So this is 1 2 3 up to 11. This means 2 into 11. And this is the GP. This is the GP of 11 terms. So this is 22. First term is 1, and the common ratio is 3 power n upon 3 minus 1. So this is 22 plus 3 power n divided by 2. This is the sum of GP. In question number 12, the statement is the sum of the first 3 term is we take A upon R, A R are the 3 terms. 3 terms according to question. Sum is 39 upon 10. So sum is A by R plus A plus AR. 39 upon 10. This is question number 1. In this question, the product of number is 1. So product is equal to 1. This is A upon R. A R equals to 1. This cancel out. A cube is 1. So A is 1. When we put the value of A in question number 1, 39 by 10, this is 1 upon R plus R, this is 39 upon 10 minus 1. When we take LCM, this is 29 by 10, cross multiply this 29R. So this is a quadratic equation in R. When we factorize this, this is 10R square, 25R minus 4R plus 10 equals to 0. When we take 5 common, take 5R common. So this is 2R minus 5, and 2 is common, 2R minus 5. When we take 2R minus 5 common, 5R minus 2. So value of R is 5.2 and 2 by 5. A is equal to 1, R is equal to 5.2. So first number is A upon R. This is 2 by 5. Second number is 1. Third number is 5.2. These are the three numbers. And when we take R is equal to 2 by 5, A is equal to 1. First number is 2 upon 5, 5.2. Second number is 1. Third number is 2 by 5. These are the three numbers in GP. In the next question, the statement is how many terms of GP? How many terms of GP? 3, 3 square, 3 cube are needed to have sum of 120. So in this GP, A is 3, common ratio is also 3, which is greater than 1. So Sn is A, R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is 120. 3 power n upon 3 minus 1. 120 is equal to upon 2. When we cross multiply this is 3 power n minus 1. Cancel out 40. 80 plus 1 is equal to 3 power n. 81 is equal to 3 power n. We write this as 3 power 4. So base is same, powers are equal. So we have need 4 terms to get a sum of 120. In the next sum, the statement is the sum of the first 3 terms of GP is 16. This means sum of first 3 terms A plus AR square equal to 16. When we take A common, this is equal to 16. This is the question number 1. And sum of next 4 terms, that is AR cube, AR4, AR5 is 128. We take AR common, so 1 plus R square equals to 128. When we divide this second equation by first one, 1 plus R square, 128 by 16. This is cancel out. So R cube is 16, 8. So R cube is 2 whole cube. So R is equal to 2. Common ratio is 2. When we put the value of R, 2 square equal to 16. 7 is equal to 16. So A is equal to 16 by 7. This is the common ratio. And Sn is A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is 60 by 7. 2 power n 2 minus 1. So this is the sum of n terms of this GP. Thanks.